Say hello to the GreenStalk Plant Support, the perfect accessory for your GreenStalk vertical garden. This tool is great for staking and trellising larger plants that need additional support. Before we begin, let's unbox our GreenStalk Plant Support Kit. Inside, you'll find 6 ring extenders or arms and 6 connectors. Make sure you have all the components before we begin assembling. First, attach the 6 extenders to your GreenStalk vertical planter. If you're attaching the plant support to a leaf planter, you may need to gently lift the tier above in order to properly secure the extender in place. You can also attach them while stacking. Once all of the extenders are in place, snap in the first ring connector to the extender. Link the next ring connector to the first. Continue this process all the way around to complete the ring. You can also attach the ring separately and then attach the completed ring to each extender. It's all about personal preference. As your plants grow, train them to grow through and around the plant support. For plants that need the additional support, place the ring on the tier above the desired planted pockets. And there you have it! Your GreenStalk Plant Support is fully assembled and ready to help your plants thrive. This tool is particularly great for tomatoes, squash, peppers, and any larger plant that needs additional support. For more on vertical gardening, visit our website at greenstalkgarden.com. Happy gardening!